You know that feeling? You're running late, your to-do list is a mile long, and your car starts making this sound?
Thank you for calling Lee Myles Auto Care. Brad speaking. Who are the pleasure of speaking with?
Hi, I think my car is having a bit of a meltdown. It's, making some strange noises, and I'm gonna be late for work.
Don't worry, we've heard this song before. But fear not, we'll get that symphony back in tune. Now tell me, what kind of music does your car usually play?
Mostly just the radio, but lately it sounds more like a dying walrus.
Oh, poor guy. We'll give him a tune-up that'll have him purr like a kitten. Speaking of which, did you know about our Don't Sweat It service? We'll pick up your car from work, bring it here, fix it, send you a text to pay, and deliver it back before you even clock out for the day.
Wow, that's amazing. It's like a chauffeur but for my car.
Exactly. No more waiting around. You just focus on conquering your to-do list while we conquer your car's problems. Sound good?
Sounds perfect. I'm sold.
All right, let's get this death rattle diagnosed. Are we going to pick up your car from home or your workplace?
Wow, you can pick it up at my workplace?
We aim to please, because at Lee Myles, we know life's busy. That's why we offer the Don't Sweat It service. Schedule your appointment online or give us a call. We'll take care of your car so you can take care of everything else.